Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we completed the Clients tab and explained how rooming lists and manifests are managed inside the reservation file. In this video, we'll move to the Entrances tab. The Entrances tab is used to manage all entrance services requested for the group, such as site entrances, archaeological sites, and historical attractions included in the program. To start, we refer back to the reference Excel file received from the agent. In the Excel program, we can see the sites requested for the group. To add an entrance, click the green plus button. Let's take a practical example. On day 2 of the trip, the group is visiting Amman Citadel and the Roman Theater. Select the site name, for example, Amman Citadel and the Roman Theater. Set the date, January 29th, 2026. The program starts at 9 o'clock in the morning, so we can set the entrance time to approximately 10 o'clock. Notice that the PAX number is 10. This represents the number of adults in the group, since in most cases, children do not pay entrance fees. If entrance fees apply to children, we'll see how to manage that in a moment. Next, select the supplier. If the tickets are purchased from a specific supplier. This is important for accounting later, as it helps allocate entrance costs correctly to the reservation file. Add any remarks if needed. Then click Save. You can repeat the same steps to add additional sites, such as the desert castles on the same day, or Petra in different days. On the right-hand side of each entrance record, you'll see several important options. Show controls whether the entrance appears in generated documents. If disabled, the entrance remains internal and does not appear on vouchers or outputs. Lock prevents further editing of the entrance record. This is useful after final confirmation to avoid accidental changes. Post indicates whether the entrance cost has been posted to the accounting module. Now, if entrance fees apply to children, or if you want to double-check the details, click on the folder icon. A detailed dialog box will open. From here, you can review and adjust children numbers, add detailed notes, check the itinerary description for that day, review accounting cost and selling values at the bottom part of the dialog box. As accounting details will be explained in later videos. This completes the Entrances tab. In the next video, we'll move to the Extras tab and continue building the reservation file. Thanks for watching, and let's continue.